Open StreamDock. Find and create a folder. Click to enter the created folder. Click them to return to the home page. Click it to return to the home page. Find the scene switch. Here you can set the scenes you want to switch to. Previous page. Display the number of pages. The title can be set here. Press once on the device to go back to the previous page. Similarly, clicking it can return to the previous page. This page allows you to add the plugins you need. Switch to the specified page number. The page number can be set here. Click it to switch to the page number you set. Display the page number of the current configuration file. The page indicator box displays the current page. Adjust the brightness of the device. Pressing the icon on the device, your finger will make it dim. Pressing the device once with your finger will turn off the screen. Turn off the screen.